Hi, my name is Camilo Andrés Rojas Ladino. My number of proof is 952. I will answer the following question. 1. Where are you going to travel? I will travel in August. 2. What city are you going to visit? I will to travel to the Pyrenees. 3. Where are you going to stay? I will stay at my friend's just downtown. 4. What are you going to wear? I will wear cool clothes. 5. Where are you going to invite to that travel? I will be with my childhood friend. 6. What activity will you do in that place? I will explore the mountains and enjoy nature. 7. How much money will you spend there? I will spend $400. 8. Will you bring an souvenir on vacation? I will bring photographs and digitals for my family.